Ni hao. Ni hao. Yeah, I have to say ni hao. No longer am I saying hola because I'm in Taiwan. As you can see me, that's Chinese. I'm here in Taiwan. I'm completely jet lagged. I just flew from Costa Rica to here. It took 24 hours. And I'm delirious, but I'm gonna go check out this night market because Taiwan is famous for food, and that's why I'm here. To get fat, eating Taiwanese food. Let's go! And what do we have here? Little toys. If you want to impress your Taiwanese girlfriend, win her one of these. That guy's getting lucky tonight. That's bullshit, man. I think he has a problem. One more time. He's a full gangster. It's just little kids gambling, nothing to see here. That little girl's a vicious shot. Yeah. Look at these beautiful buildings behind me. They almost look European. I mean Eastern European. They're sort of brutalist or Art Deco. It looks like there's a famous pig. That's one happy pig. Hi. Little baby squids, huh? What is this?
Kidney.
That's kidney.
Kidney.
And those are snails, right?
Yeah.
Wow. They don't waste anything. Chicken. Look at all these different meats. Cube steak. And of course, bubble tea. Bubble tea was invented in Taiwan. I don't know where to start because it's 8 p.m. here, but it's 5 a.m. in my head. My head is just melted. What is this? Hola. I keep saying hola to people. Hola, ¿cómo estás? No, it's ni hao. I think that's the stinky tofu. Is that stinky tofu? The famous Taiwanese stinky tofu. And this, I'm not sure what it is. I'm scared to eat that though. It's just a sensory overload. Oh, look at this, yum. yummy whatever the hell that is. Hot dogs. Omelets. I have to say the women are quite pretty. What's this? Balls of stuff. What is it? Whoa, look at that thing. Let's get a better look at whatever this is. It seems very popular. What a wild looking dish. Check out all the people queuing up for these rice bun hot dog sausages. I'm not sure what they're called, I'll show you. Yeah, it must be really popular because people are lined up all the way down the block for these things. So I don't even know where to begin, and from what I've heard, braised pork on rice is the most famous Taiwanese dish, and they just happen to have it right behind me. Let's go eat pork belly. So we have oyster omelets, egg fried rice with shrimp, braised pork on rice. I'm torn, man. I'm really torn between the oyster omelet and the braised pork on rice. Okay, here's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna pick a few things off this menu. They give you a little pen, and you write it here on this list. All right, so this is pork belly, and I'm not sure how you say this in Taiwanese, but that's basically braised pork belly, and so I'm gonna try it. It's really hard to film yourself on a phone. Scared. Bon appetit. Oh man, it's really delicious. And here's my oyster omelet. Look at that. Boing. What does that remind you of? It's like slimy but also crisp and crunchy, sweet and salty. And then it has that really potent oyster flavor. Only when you eat the oyster though, otherwise it's very subtle. It's wonderful. Underneath this gooey stuff, there's like a gelatinous, I think that's like a gelatinous rice mixture, and then underneath that they have the eggs mixed with these crispy vegetables. And this sweet sauce, it's a little bit spicy and nice and sweet. And of course we have the oysters. Want to say hello to my mom? Hello. They taught me how to eat this food. Thank you for showing me how to eat Taiwanese food. Okay, I'm out. Bye-bye. This guy is the master. Look at this.